Hey, join me as I dive into the world of Mitolyn and challenge myself to completely revolutionize my fitness routine. Mitolyn is a groundbreaking product that promises to enhance fitness routines, setting the stage for its revolutionary features. But before we get started, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe our channel NutrizLab, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest health tips and product breakdowns. Many of us have been there. We start a new fitness routine full of energy and motivation, only to find ourselves struggling to stick to it after a few weeks. Lack of motivation is a common challenge people face in their fitness journeys. We might start strong, but as time goes on, we find it harder to get out of bed early to hit the gym or go for a run. Lack of progress is another challenge that can be really frustrating. We plateau, and our results stop improving, making it feel like we're not getting anywhere. This can be really demotivating, and it's easy to give up when we don't see the results we want. Time constraints are also a major obstacle for many of us, as we struggle to balance work, family, and social life with our fitness goals. Staying consistent is key to achieving our fitness goals, but it's not always easy. Life gets in the way, and before we know it, weeks have turned into months, and we're still stuck in the same old routine. We need something to shake things up, to give us that extra boost of motivation and help us achieve our goals. Mitolyn addresses these challenges by providing a unique and effective way to enhance our fitness routines. Its cutting-edge technology and innovative features make it an essential tool for anyone looking to take their fitness to the next level. With Mitolyn, we can track our progress, set goals, and stay motivated like never before, get transformation in our bodies and minds. One of the most impressive things about Mitolyn is its ability to help us overcome plateaus and achieve consistent progress. By providing us with personalized feedback and guidance, Mitolyn helps us stay on track and reach our goals faster. Its unique features and benefits make it an indispensable tool for anyone serious about their fitness. I've seen it work for others, and I'm excited to share a success story with you. Sarah, a busy working mom, was struggling to find time for her fitness routine. She discovered Mitolyn and was amazed at how it helped her stay motivated and track her progress. With Mitolyn, Sarah was able to achieve her fitness goals and transform her body in just a few months. Sarah's story is a powerful testimonial to the impact of Mitolyn on our fitness routines. She's not alone. Many others have experienced similar transformations, and it's a testament to the effectiveness of Mitolyn. By sharing these stories, we can inspire and motivate each other to reach our full potential. Mitolyn has helped countless people revolutionize their fitness routines, and it can do the same for you. Its innovative features and benefits make it an essential tool for anyone looking to take their fitness to the next level. With Mitolyn, we can achieve our goals, transform our bodies, and experience a significant improvement in our overall health and well-being. In conclusion, Mitolyn is a game changer for anyone looking to revolutionize their fitness routine. Its unique features and benefits make it an indispensable tool for achieving our goals and transforming our bodies. Subscribe to NutrizLab channel for more life-changing health tips, expert reviews, and products. Visit NutrizLab.com to grab premium wellness products reviews and elevate your fitness journey today. Thanks for watching, and remember, your health is an investment, not an expense. See you in the next video.